Hey guys, if you want to learn and earn as you go, this is the way to do it. Now this I put a link in the description below. This website is called CreativeLive, and then basically they've got a whole bunch of classes that you can we'll just quickly go through the classes here. Well, as you can see, cameras, software, techniques, genres. You've got money in life. So you've got money and finance, self-improvement, time minutes, wellness, communication skills, online business, marketing, freelancing, creative inspiration, business. You've got craft and maker, so you can see all those, all crafty jewelry design, upcycling ideas, party crafts, stamping, making, what else we got? Music and audio, all those things. I'm not familiar with those at all. That software. So that's for the musos. Now they're actually over 1,500 classes. You can browse the entire video library on demand. They've got on here now watch free classes 24/7. Let's have a look at the classes. That's the fast classes. Let's go and have a look at the actual classes, all classes. And it's a bit slow. I've got about 50 browsers open at the moment. You can get a pass to the... Let's have a look. Have a look. Check this pass out, because that might be the way to go. Now, why do I say learn and earn? Because you can become what's called an affiliate for this this company. Okay, there's 39 a month or a year, so you can do anywhere. It's all your own page. Good month start. Now it's 39 a month, or you can pay for a year in one bang, and then I take it that you can do as many as your courses as you want in that year, guys. I would say, which is pretty good. I mean, if you want to upskill, it's probably the cheapest way online I know of that you can do. $150, and then how many courses can you do in a year? I'd say quite a few. So let's go back to the classes, all classes. Yeah, you can become an affiliate. Can I show you? Oh dear. Well, how to become an affiliate is, I'll just show you as soon as this loads again. So you can become an affiliate, and what you do is you get a little link, and then you tell your friends about this, and if they sign up, you'll get a commission. You'll get some money if some of your friends join up, and that'll help you pay for that $150 pass or whatever. See, so you come right down to the bottom of the page, guys. See here, become an affiliate. Okay, sign up, become an affiliate. I am an affiliate for this. I'll leave my link below. So this looks like this is all the photography classes. I mean, look at them all. Writing, Adobe, bestsellers. Let's have a look at the bestsellers. Yeah, so become an affiliate, guys. Sign up, become an affiliate, get your link, and then say to your mates, oh yeah, do you want to do some online courses? Here's the link, and if they do click on your link and go through, do some classes, you'll get what's called a commission. Now, hold on. I'll just see if I can see how much you'll get as a commission for signing people up. They might not show me until I've actually signed up, but let's have a look. Oh, here we go. Okay, so look, if anybody anybody just signs up, you get $1. Okay. Then for each referred affiliate, you get $10. Rev share for new customer sales, you get you get the $10 if that person becomes affiliate, but you get 20% for new customers. Okay. If you get someone going from your link, and they just buy, they don't become an affiliate, you'll get 20% of whatever the course is, guys. So that's quite good. Most courses, well, it ranges, but rev share for turn customers. So you'll get, at the end of those, you get 20% when somebody signs up under your link and does a course, and then if they come back to another course, you get another 10% of that. So that's pretty good. That's like a recurring income. You can track it and you can earn more. Our average order sizes are over $100 in commissions on all purchases by referred customers within 30 days of the original click. Flip hard to serve an audience looking for creative education, ability to earn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business and training tools. So there you go. Learn and earn, guys. Learn and earn. Why not, where are we now? Why not upskill and make some money while you're learning and upskilling. Okay. Whoops, my internet's gone a bit loopy. I think this is the way of the future. And affiliate marketing is getting growing exponentially because most people buying everything online now. Even classes, learn online. Look at this, bundles. So you can buy bundles, photography bundles, design bundles, craft bundles, business bundles, music and audio. Let's have a look at that, business bundles. So buy a couple of courses cheaper than buying them separately. Bundle and save on top money and life classes. The Science of People bundle. Published author, see bundle details, $249. Get your life in order bundle, $196. In this 3-class bundle, you'll learn how to leverage design thinking principles. See bundle details. So you get 3 classes. So guys, you can learn 3 courses for the price of 1 in a bundle. Looks like. Whoa, in this 9-course bundle. Write and publish your members. That's 9 courses for $149. You've got your Grow Your Instagram account 4 bundles for $68. You've got Start a Healthy Lifestyle Now 4-class bundle for $99. You've got Writing for Business 8-course Design Thinking bundle, Present Your Best Self bundle. You've got Create a Standout Business bundle. That'd be quite a good one to do. Anybody interested in and these ones, Complete Branding and PR bundle, marketing, and some famous people on here. This guy Lewis Howe, I think he is. His name is 30 Days of Genius. This bundle includes an unprecedented range of topics and extras from Tim Ferriss and Ramit Sethi. So that would be another good one to do, because I know that guy's pretty popular online. So there you go, guys. That's just a sample of what's available. I'd probably do the class ones, but you got it covered. Everything's covered. excuse me, gone are the days you have to, if you, unless you're doing something specific, why not, do a job, continue, if you are working, do your job, but sort of hustle on the side doing these courses to, become self-employed or whatever you want to do. Let's have a look at these up-and-coming ones. Now, the other thing, of course, guys, what you can do to make some money is put your own courses on here. So these are some of the courses coming up. Introduction to Adobe. So someone's obviously doing some Adobe courses, and they're probably going to do all these in the future. They're probably doing some sort of they're probably all doing all Photoshop courses, Adobe Photoshop courses they can do, and then they're going to do all these, these courses that they've created from learning, and there you go. So that's another way of making money. It's up to you guys. Now, like I say, I'll leave a link in the description below. I will. Let me have a look. Money in life. Nothing to see here. Money in life? Are you joking me? Oh, that's upcoming. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Channels. Basic writing money. Yeah, so I'm just I'm sort of browsing myself as we go. Actually, it's a sort of website where you just come to have a browse, really, if nothing else. So are these the money in life ones? Business basics. Yes, these are some of the business ones. If you want to, branding strategies, unbook yourself, how to make money. So let's have a look at that one. And he's fairly well known. It's only $29, guys. Come on, $29. You're probably going to go down the shop today and spend that more than that on coffee. There we go. How to make money. Lessons. So look at the lessons in this. Living a rich life. I might grab that one myself, actually. So that's one I've found. Actually, I think that bundle might be too much for me. But 40 lessons, guys. 40 lessons for $29. Wow. Okay, and so there you go. I'll leave it there. I'll leave the link below. Like I say, come and have a browse and see what you think. Looks like a great overall website if you do want to learn and earn, as I say. Become an affiliate and join up, do a class, and then get your mates to come over and either do a class or just sign up. Every time they sign up, you'll get $1, whether they do a class or not. So there you go.